Hi everyone. Today in class we talked about the average or the mean, and we talked about how rather than thinking about the mean as add up the scores and then divide by the number of scores that you had, we thought about the mean as being equal distribution. And so we used an example. If we handed out chocolate, and I handed out 4 pieces of chocolate to the first person, but only 1 to the second, and then perhaps another 2 to the next, and then I greedily decided that I would keep 5 for myself. What would be the average number of pieces of chocolate that each person had? And so the added up and divide by the number that there is comes from the fact that if we collect all these pieces of chocolate, we would have 12 pieces of chocolate in total. And then if we took those 12 pieces of chocolate and handed them out evenly, almost like we were dealing out cards, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you, keep going until you run out of pieces of chocolate, the average would become how many each person had if they were equally distributed. And so the mean, or the average, would be 3. And this is a fantastic way of thinking about what the mean actually means.